Hello, everyone. I'm Lily. Today we will learn action verbs. Watch carefully and repeat after me. Let's begin.
Swim, swim. I am swimming in the pool. I am swimming in the pool. Smell, smell. I am smelling a fresh rose. I am smelling a fresh rose. Hug, hug. I am hugging my teddy bear. I am hugging my teddy bear. Catch, catch. I am catching a butterfly. I am catching a butterfly. Brush, brush, brush. I am brushing my teeth. I am brushing my teeth. Feed, feed, feed.
I am feeding the birds. I am feeding the birds.
Listen, listen, listen. I am listening to music. I am listening to music. Play, play. I am playing with my toys. I am playing with my toys. Water, water. I am watering the plants. I am watering the plants. Mix, mix.
I am mixing the salad. I am mixing the salad.
Read, read, read. I am reading the newspaper. Kick, kick. I am kicking the ball. I am kicking the ball. Draw, draw. I am drawing a flower. I am drawing a flower. Watch, watch, watch. I am watching a movie. I am watching a movie. Clean, clean. I am cleaning my room. I am cleaning my room.
Great job today. Write your favorite action verb in the comments. See you next time. Bye-bye.